Hey everyone, this is the first of a short series of videos to show this rewrite of the TestGround application in C64 OS. So I've rewritten this application to showcase many of the Toolkit classes, and I'm going to open source this app so that developers can see exactly how to do all the stuff that this is going to show. So the root view here is a split view. You have a nub here that you can use to drag the splitter. And in the left-hand side, because the content is taller than the screen, we have a scroll view to scroll this up and down. So over here we have labels and radio buttons, and we have checkboxes, and I'll show how these get wired up to do certain things. And we have a cycle button we can cycle through. We have buttons in their default and normal state. Now we can use the scroll bar to scroll down. We see some more labels, and these here are text fields. So on the right-hand side, we have this tab view, which has been pulled in to have this kind of cool looking border. The tabs show icons which come from the C64 OS icon library, and each tab's content has another kind of view. So in the table tab, we have this table view with columns and two-dimensional scrolling. In the list tab, we have a one-dimensional list that can be scrolled up and down. And finally, in the text tab, this is a new class for doing soft wrapping of text. It's not for editing, it's just for viewing, but we'll come back to talk about everything that it can do. And then finally, down here, we have this example of a custom class which is being loaded and relocated from an object file which is stored inside the app bundle of the TestGround app. So stay tuned for the next video to see more about how this works. Thanks for watching.